Engineers spent 800 years trying to stop it from falling. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, one of the world's strangest mistakes, wasn't designed to tilt at all. When construction began in 1173, the ground beneath it was too soft, and by the third floor, the tower started sinking, permanently off balance. Here's the shocking part. They tried to make it straight, but the more they fixed it, the more it leaned.
In 1990, engineers warned the Leaning Tower of Pisa would collapse at 5.44 degrees, and it was already leaning at 5.5. Forcing it upright, engineers removed 38 cubic meters of soil from beneath the higher side, letting gravity gently reduce the tilt, while 600 tons of lead stabilized the base.
Then, after a decade of bold engineering, they finally froze the lean, just enough to keep its famous tilt.